Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. So there was a button on the microphone which was muted. So now I know you can hear me. This is good. So now I can move this window here, and we can check if my stream works. It was this thing here. Actually, if we go from my profile, then we can see from BioLink. If we click here, then we should be able to see that, yeah, it's live. And yeah, sound is there, and there's a small delay. There's this thing here. So if you want to support me, you always can. But yeah, sorry about that. I'm investigating different political stuff, but probably I should not. I should rather concentrate on technology. Now, let me see. So basically, it all began as this thing here. This one. Okay. If you go with this one, then we can see that prime faces, or namely prime faces, is the choice by for JakartaEE 10 and 11. 10. So problem is that, so basically I've picked up this task, this ticket. I said I'll do it. And here we come. So tickets 171 and 170 and 116. So, well, 116 I think is not so important, because I would suggest to go to 171, 173. Yeah, let me see. So prime faces. The idea is that I want to just understand what on earth this stuff is. I understand some kind of UI. So let's do it together. So I only have half an hour, because afterwards I will be mentoring somebody openly. Well, not openly, actually. It will be a small mentoring session, but I'll be mentoring somebody. So let's see a demo. Okay, so it's JSF, which is good, because when I was much younger, I did work with JSF. It's basically a library of ready UI components, which can be created with next to none usage of JavaScript, although JavaScript will be created by components when it runs. Now, so apparently all I have to do is to take this thing and then I add components to my pages. That's interesting. And then I can do a test run. Get started. Yeah, so let's start IntelliJ. I even have one. It's currently got this the ticket for for Jakarta 10. I want new project, and I want it from artifact archetype or whatever. So here I want to find prime faces artifact. That's not what I catalog. I remember there's this thing called artifacts. So, to be honest, I don't often use this stuff. Archetype, or let's Google, because I think it's possible. Prime faces are Maven. Okay. What's that? Okay, well, I think I will follow the official tutorial. So, if I create a web project, a Maven project, right? Just Maven 1. Prime faces test. Okay. I don't see. What does this do? I like when it's there's a question mark here, but like it doesn't really work. Okay, so Maven archetype. Okay, thank you very much. That really helped. Okay, so I can apparently I can download different archetypes, right? Okay. I think I will go with Maven. I don't really want to go with Maven archetype because I don't really understand what it is. I mean, I partially understand that apparently this stuff will. Oh, actually, that's simple. Do you have a web or something? Yeah, this one. So that will, I will expect that this thing will, yeah, so that if I click this thing, it will create us. Oh, hi, Arindam. Hi, mate. But you came here after I fixed my mic. So what we are doing today is that basically I'll show you a new window. So here, because I'm still looking at this 173, okay, it's much harder to actually do stuff in open source than to speak about it. Then, so basically, this ticket here, I think one, either 71 or okay, so we were suggested to do faces. I don't really know this thing about archetype, and good. Let's. So yeah, I've actually got a reply from this amazing person, Reza Rahman, who is actually that's him. So I probably I'll be able to talk to him in like an hour. And yeah, so basically he suggested that I should create a UI for tutorial in JakartaEE. So if you go here and think I think so. Oh yeah, this one. You see? So currently, if you go to JakartaEE and you go to Start JakartaEE, you get this stuff, and you have those things, and they're clickable and stuff. And then, for example, when you select this one, it might affect the other things. The thing is that, oh, sorry, I have allergy on the stuff. Yeah, so the thing is that I was suggested to use this one, and this is called Prime Faces. Oh, I like the transformer thing. It's this one. So basically, it's kind of bridge between Java and JavaScript. Uh, so you create project in Java, and it kind of looks nice. It's a relative of GSF, but GSF is Java Server Faces. I did it in 2008, I guess. The early versions we did the project on it. But anyway, um, now where we go from here, we have this thing and we have a project, right? And the project is this one. So I was told that, not I was told, but we got a dependency, okay, from here. Now let's see. So we need namespace. I have no idea how this stuff works, like really. Maybe if I go to, you can see my page, right? Yeah, you can, I guess. Yeah, if I go to index, um, maybe I'm not sure how it works these days. You see, I would assume that might be as it works. I have no idea. Oh, so that's how it works. Okay, so that's what they say. Now the question is how on earth I test it all, right? Because if I click this thing, I don't think it will work. Yeah, it's just an empty page um, because it has to be deployed, I assume. So now the question is, how do I get it deployed? And IntelliJ run prime faces. Pum, pum, pum. Oh, so there is JakartaEE server faces, which will support me and do what? It will. So obviously, I understand that's obviously the project I'm working at, always. This is just support. I want to actually run it. So let me see. Bum bum bum. Prime faces run in IntelliJ. So okay, in 2011 somebody asked questions. So I need to add framework support. Okay, so there's IntelliJ wiki regarding the enterprise edition. I haven't done this stuff in like 12 years, maybe. I mostly worked on existing frameworks. So, okay. File new project, JakartaEE. So they want it to be JakartaEE. I see. Okay. Not a problem at all. So if I go to, and this is my J, our new project, do it JakartaEE in this time. Prime faces test. Okay. Web application. New. No, I only played with Tomcat. Oh, I don't have Tomcat here. That's true. And I don't have this stuff. It would be nice if it came with something pre-installed, but it's probably too much to expect. Let me see. ChatGPT. I've never tried it. I know it's something which creates solutions for you. Yeah, I'll try it, but probably in a separate stream because I tend not to mix two things. If I'm learning something one, I'm learning this thing, not like five things. But it's a good idea, actually. If not you or in them, I would never think about it. So I want this thing. So, okay, so there is no application server, they say. So then dependencies, they go specifications, this one, solid. It's a Maven. Okay, then we still have a server. Glassfish. I'm not sure if, because I didn't install Glassfish. So they say you should have Glassfish. And, well, I'm not sure I want the Glassfish. So new project. So JakartaEE. So what do they normally recommend? JakartaEE web server. Okay. Which one? For the simplicity, I could go with Wildfly, but then Glassfish is also. To be honest, like they're using Glassfish, we'll be using Glassfish. That's fine. So let's have this stuff. Oh my god, how old is it? No, there's no way I'm touching stuff which is 2000. What was it? 2017. Yeah. Come on, this stuff doesn't even work. Yeah. Wildfly. This one. See that? Now on the zip. And actually other versions as well. So yeah, that's better than 2017. Okay. So let's download it. I think I'll need to add 16 more gigs and terabyte drive. Oh, I didn't know. I suggest you could create a YouTube video on how to actually use ChatGPT, how you use it, how it comes to the stream. I think it would be a good idea because I think this is a hot topic. So, so here I will do F. No, not here. D. def. Okay. Uh, well, let it be in tools because otherwise it will become too messy. It's already messy. Okay. We already can use this address. In the meanwhile, we don't need to wait for it to finish. So file new project JakartaEE prime faces. One, let it be one, whatever. New. Okay. It will be Java, it will be Maven for the simplicity. Okay. So what do we need here? Yeah, that's all is good. I'm not sure about this one because we'll be using prime faces. So there is a link which we have to add. Okay, so let's see what else is there. So we had this thing here, and so I think it's okay actually. Create. Let's even use. Should I use this window? How much time do I have left? Yeah, we'll use this window because today we'll just start doing this stuff. So, okay, so that's the servlet based one. I probably should have done it smarter than that. We'll create another one. New project. Of course, it moved it to the next window. Prime test 2. At least it catches wildfly. Good stuff. Next. Now I don't mind. So let's. But can I have surface as well, please? Yeah, that will be nice. Great. Okay. Now, if you go back to Prime Faces website, here it suggests that we should add this dependency. Okay. Which is this one. Now, because we added faces, I expected it to create some page, but it didn't happen. It would be really cool if I could download an example project. It would be so cool. Do they have examples? Yeah, I'm getting started. Thank you very much. Oh, hi, Debashish. I'm good, much better now. Thank you. I'm just trying to work out how to make this piece of stuff work because I would assume that I could put, I don't know, hello GSP here. Ask me again. And I would assume I could put this stuff here. Okay. But I'm not sure. So yeah, faces is here. That's good. I'm not sure how it works these days because I haven't touched this stuff in quite some time. But we can try. We can run. Well, I didn't check if it has unzipped. It looks like it has unzipped. So build is here. I don't expect it to work, but oh, thank you very much. Okay. Edit configurations. This thing, the port configure. Please, I click the button. Can I have? Thank you very much. The thing is, where can I set the port? Okay, because the port was taken by something on. Oh, even this port is in use. Why do I have 127 taken? It's not. Is it because Docker is running? Can it be that? How can it be that? Is it like everything is taken? Yeah, so even this one is in use. I have big questions towards my Docker thing. Wait. Because I'm not running much. I'm running this stuff. I don't know much about Docker as well. But I can stop it and try again. Let me see how can I do it. I'm not even sure it's running. No, it is. Pause. I can pause it. Try again. It's like any address I try is in use. Thank you very much. Your bets? Yeah. Why is it? Is there something I'm missing? Let me see from this. From this thing. Okay. Here. So that's from XML. Blah blah blah. That's boring. This thing. So they configure the server. Then artifacts, and then they run it. And when I try to do it the same, it's not really working. How do I fix that stuff? So I don't think anything is running. No, it's not. And it doesn't look to be a Docker thing. I'll quit it, of course, but I don't have any offset now. Docker is down. Okay, Windows port is already in use. Well, immediately how do I kill? So Okay, pam. CMD. Okay. Netstat. Ano. Find. It goes like this. Oh, they need this stuff. So that's interesting. So it may be that there's nothing running there. It's just IntelliJ like in my face. So because if I try this stuff, IntelliJ will complain. Right? 9990. But if I do this stuff and I do find string here, even if I do just that, let's see, 98 is there. No idea who is listening there. Is it blocking itself? Can it be? Yeah, of course. Definitely it's in use, right? What are they? Oh, it's not there. This thing is lying. Should I try another show? Then on this one. What if it was domain? No. Standalone. Offset? No. GRE. Well, I assume it should run with 17. Let me try Tomcat for the simplicity for now, because I really don't have stuff for all this for these features. Okay. This one. Okay. So here we can go to the. Somebody needs more sleep. We need to go to tools and here. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Now, Tomcat server local. Okay. Okay. One. No artifacts marked for deployment. Okay, this one. Now let's see if that works better than Wildfly. Interesting. So it was a problem not with. Yeah, that's already better because it's actually running. Interesting. How do I solve this stuff? It's obviously not because of this exploded thing. It's because that in earlier versions, I remember there was WebXML defining all the stuff, but not now, right? Okay, so here we can we can actually create it. So they even mentioned the. So this one is okay. This one is okay. So it will be SRC main. Where should it be located? That's the key thing. But where? Like, guys in IntelliJ, like really, if you are writing about an index JSP, then tell me where exactly you want it to be stored. I understand it's probably here, but like, can you be specific, please? Okay. Oh, there was a mistake here. This one. That's better. Oh, so that's SRC main web app index JSP. So this thing actually should be SRC main web app. Right? Yeah. And then it should be here. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, that's good. So, but like I click this one. So this one shows me the location, but as soon as I click, location disappears. Yeah, whatever. So this is SRC main Java com example. SRC main Java com example. Yeah, this stuff. Okay. Hello servlet, right? I know it's the wrong package. I don't care. We'll fix it now. Now I want to move it to the package. Excuse me. Before it was so easy. Why do we have to make things so? Example demo. Okay. Now, can it do it now? It's beautiful. So it failed to create the file. It obviously cannot find the web servlet. And I'm not sure it's definitely wrong because Java X servlet must be there. And to do that, I need to go to POM XML. And what else I will do for now, I still have some time. I will go here and I will actually remove prime faces for now. So let's just make the typical servlet thing work. We only learn one thing at a time, not more. That's the same with ChatGPT. Okay, so we only learn one thing, not more. So here we had this interesting thing with POM XML, this one, and I wanted. So Java X servlet, I believe I have one. Okay. Oh. So it's changed to Jakarta servlet. So how old is this example? It's 20th February. It's not that old. I can, of course, do one thing. I can take this whole file. This one. Yeah, one moment. There was a sound. No, it's a Zoom. It's fine. So we only have 5 minutes left. But what I can do, I can take this stuff and replace this one, okay? Now we can try to, yeah. So now it works. Now it works. Now, let's see. So I'm not sure what sync will do, but it would be lovely if it synced it with the server as well. I'm not, yeah, so let's see. Here. So they suggest that. We did that, we did that, we did that. Oh, actually, not true. With this one, we didn't do that. We just moved the file, which is incorrect. We also need to go here and go here. Oh no, it's fine. We did it. Glassfish we don't really need. Okay, so they do this way. Okay, and when we did run it, what was the original location? This one, right? And I think it failed, right? Let's do it again. Just redeploy. Oh, build failed. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, this thing. Where is this thing? Okay, I don't need this stuff now because, yeah. No. Okay. Doesn't work. Shows me there's an error. So to solve it, we'll need to, yeah, now I have to go. But I think I'll start doing it like all the time. I want to see the WAV file here. And I don't see it. So it says it's building. I want to see the target folder. Not this project, but maybe, yeah. Where's my file? So I didn't see it now. Let me see. Yeah, so I think next time I will try to find why on earth this stuff doesn't work. So I need a working example, to be honest. I just need a working example where I can run prime faces with. So unfortunately, in the case of prime faces, for some reason they forgot to put a simple project which you could download and run it. Maybe they exist. And in ideal world, what I would prefer, let's say you want to make your library accessible, you want to make this stuff work for people. So make some kind of artifact. So here, instead of doing that, I could click a button, and I could just download a full-blown project which works. Yeah. Maybe here they have an example. Maybe this one. Yeah, maybe this one is. So that we'll check another time, but now I need to go. See you next time, friends, and live long and prosper. So now I'll try to close to end the stream, and see you the next time. Bye.